18 months ago, you saw us lift the body off this TVR Vixen that was in need of some TLC after a long period off the road. Since then, the car has been fully restored and modified to not only make the car faster and handle better, but also to make the car easier to live with day to day. Let's go and take a look. Starting at the back of the vehicle, we have twin Avo dampers with twin 75-pound springs. We have a TR6 diff rebuilt with a 3.9:1 ratio, which is polybushed on custom mounts to the brand new chassis. We also have a facet fuel pump. Moving around, we have a full stainless exhaust system, a Ford Type 9 gearbox which has been rebuilt with a longer first gear to make it more usable on the road. Brakes at the front are Rover V8 3-pot calipers with uprated pads, single Avo dampers with 185-pound springs. The steering arms have also been modified to help eliminate bump steer. Under the bonnet we have a Ford 1700 crossflow engine which is based on a 711M block, a ported and polished cylinder head, a Kent 234 cam, and we're running twin 40 DCOE Webers, which should sound pretty good. So there we have it, a little look into what promises to be a very fun and exciting little TVR when it goes back on the road, which shouldn't be too much longer. Moving forward, Dad can make some changes to fueling and wiring and then turn the key for the first time. After that, the body, which has been away being painted in a stunning shade of red, can be bolted on for the last time. Then it's the bonnet, the interior, some wiring and a few snagging and tweaks, and then it's time for that elusive test drive. Now, before I go, yes, I am stood in my new garage. It's come a long way since I updated you 2 years ago, but I've still got quite a lot left to do, so I'll update you in due course. So for now, you're going to have to deal with TVR content. So it's not all bad. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.